Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use the photo editor feature in the CapCut mobile. So here, if you are on the newest version of CapCut, you can see at the home page there is photo editor option. So in here, you can just click on the option to start editing your photo. Let's say I'm going to edit this one. Now just click on add, and after that, here there are lots of options that you can do on the photo editor feature. You can resize the size. Here choose the size. For example, I'm going to make it square, or you can just click on the check icon. After that, you can also add tags if you want. You can also add shape like this, add stickers, and you can also add another photo into this photo. You can add like overlay like this, for example, add. Okay, so you can have two photo in one frame like this, or you can also adjust or add some filter into the photo, or you can also change the background like this. Click on the check icon when you're done. Okay, so after this, if you like with the result, you can just click on export. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.